Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you 8 hacks to get those beautiful curls on your own at home using a curling wand. Curling our own hair is not always easy, but with the hacks that I'm going to tell you today, I hope you get there faster in an easy way. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Straighten the frizz. Curls don't look clean and defined on frizzy hair. So if you have frizzy hair, I would recommend you straighten it first. This will minimize the frizz and will make your curls look more beautiful. I know it feels like a lot of heat, but you don't need to do it on high temperature. Use just enough heat to reduce the puffiness. We don't want hair too straight. In that case, it won't hold the curl. And don't forget to use a heat protectant. Section the hair. Always section your hair. It gives you a lot of control and makes the whole process less messy. Divide your hair into top section and bottom section, with multiple sections among each of these two sections. Small versus big sections. Size of your section decides how loose or tight your curls would be. Go for smaller sections if you want tighter curls, and go for bigger sections for a loose curl or for more of a beachy waves look. Start midsection. If you have long hair, or if you want your hair to look longer, you would want to start your curls from mid-length. With this, your hair looks longer than it would in case of a full-length curl, because full-length curl makes your hair look shorter than it actually is. It also helps people with long hair because in a lot of cases, your hair is longer than the length of the wand. At least mine is. So start from midsection. Hold the curl. To make your curls last longer, hold your curl for a few seconds, like shown in the video. You are doing this when the hair is in the process of cooling down, so you will hold it until it cools down. If you let go of the hair when it's still hot, the curls will loosen up as they cool down and won't be as tight. How many times did I say cool down? So hold the curl. Behold long hair. For this hack, I would suggest pay more attention to the video demo. Okay, so like I said earlier, long hair usually ends up being longer than the wand. In that case, wrap as much hair as possible around the wand and curl it as usual. Then, curl the remaining length of the hair like a new section, like shown in the video. That's it, there you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Wand direction. The position or direction of the wand also impacts the curl. Wand in a vertical position results in a loose curl. One in a horizontal position results in tighter curls. I'm doing this section with the wand in horizontal position. And this one in more of a vertical position. As you can see, the curl in the horizontal one is tighter than the one in vertical position. Hairspray rescue. This final hack applies to people with straight or fine hair. You might already know that straight or fine hair needs some extra help when it comes to hair curling. So use a medium hold hairspray on every section of the hair and then curl it. This will help with the holding problem and the curls will last longer. So those are the 8 hacks I wanted to tell you guys. If you have any other hacks, then please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye bye!